Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for homes and real estates if you would like to buy or rent a property on the Zillow real estate rentals application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and then click on this search button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then type in your location into the search bar at the top. And here you can see these red buttons marking all of the available rentable real estates or properties. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, but you can also list them by tapping on the list button in the upper left corner of the screen. So here you can browse among the available results. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to check out in more details. It might take a few seconds till it loads. So here you can see the picture, you can see that it's for sale marked with the red button. You can see its location on the map and so on. Here you can see the details, what's special about it, and so on. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.